As I'm walking into the room, the first thing that I notice is this insanely beautiful view. I also notice that there aren't glasses, but instead individually wrapped paper cups that the guest is able to dispose of after use. There's also no minibar items. However, there is a coffee and tea station, and they did inform me that the coffee and tea kettles are cleaned and disinfected in between each use. There's also a 48-hour resting period in between each guest that is staying in each room. That way, there are no guests that are staying in each individual room back to back. I also noticed that the remote controls are individually wrapped in plastic, and they have made a note of making sure that they are disinfecting and sanitizing all high touch points, including the alarm clock, the phones, and also lamps. In the bathroom, you'll notice that there are individually packaged hand soap and body wash, as well as the shampoo and conditioner.